Everyone, Aaron here from RC Hobbies. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. We have the new Team Associated, well, new to us, I guess. This has been out for a little bit of time, but we're gonna start looking at carrying these and put this one through its paces and see how durable they actually are. So this is the Rival MT10 from Team Associated, 4-wheel drive 110 scale monster truck. This is a 3S completer pack truck. So this is gonna come with a Reedy Wolfpack 2600 mAh 3S LiPo, and it's also gonna come with a Reedy charger as well, like a basic SkyRC E450 along those lines. So it's going to be brushless. It's going to have a couple cool features that normally you'd have to buy on a lot of other trucks. So let's crack it open and see what it's all about. A little bit different unboxing. Whoop. Spin that around. Bum. So I guess we'll do this first. So Reedy charger. So this is the 324S. So this is going to be, like I said, a basic, like old school SkyRC E450, because it does come with banana plugs instead of the XT60N, and a Dean's connector, because that's what the truck is using. Going to be AC power in. It'll do 1, 2, 3, or 4S at 1, 2, or 3 amps, LiPo or Life, and then the banana plugs just plug into the front there. Nothing too serious. In this box, we're going to have our battery. Like I said, Reedy Wolfpack. It's going to be a 3S LiPo. It's a little bit small, however. Usually we're used to seeing like 4,000 to 5,000 being pretty basic. This guy is just a little 2600. Basic, just balance plug and Dean's connector for your main power input. Then also in there. Next thing up, we got our transmitter. What do we got here? We got a Reedy XP120 2.4 gig. Looks to be just a 2-channel radio. So you have steering, throttle. On the top here, you're going to have steering reverse, throttle reverse or normal. You're going to have your dual rates, and then you're going to have your trims. So for throttle or steering there on the bottom. So pretty basic. Kind of something we've seen before from Team Associated. On the bottom here, you're going to get your exploded view and manual. You're going to get on the back side a couple different instruction manuals. So you're going to get the XP120 instruction manual, you're going to get the speed control instruction manual, and you're also going to get what looks to be a certificate of conformity. So this is going to be for the radio system itself. And you're also going to get some basic tools, 1.5 to 2.5 mil Allen key by the looks of it. Nothing we have not seen before in any of these unboxing videos. Looks like that was coming off anyway, so we'll just leave it off because it's way easier. So there's the truck. Pull this off. I'm going to say it's a little bit smaller than a normal, the new style Stampede anyway. This is kind of more in the size range of the old style Stampede, a little bit shorter chassis. You're going to get some almost Proline Badland-esque looking tires on Method wheels. These are Team Associated wheels and tires. They're very, very soft. So a little bit softer than we're normally seeing here. Method wheels, if you want to get the wheel nut, these hub caps, center caps just screw off, and that gets you to your 4mm nut. With the 7mm nut driver, you can take them off. 4 body clips, so kind of back to conventional, traditional style body mounting. Kind of a cool looking body, nothing crazy. It comes in one color. Red and black, or red and black, so kind of basic. But when we open up the truck, that's when we start seeing some cool features. First things first, what you'll see, you get a chassis net. So this is going to keep a lot of the dirt, debris. If you are in Canada like we are, you know, we still have 5-6 feet of snow. So keep all the snow out, and it's as easy as just pulling it off like that, and it's off. So other things you'll see in the front end of this truck, you're going to get headlights. You're going to get adjustable shocks with a shock body collar. So just like that, you can adjust, increase or decrease your spring rate. You're going to get turnbuckles that are going to be adjustable, tie rods and rear camber links that are also adjustable. You're also getting this sway bar set pre-installed front and back. Normally, all the things we just mentioned are something, say if you had a Traxxas, something you'd have to upgrade. So kind of neat that you're getting this all in one package. You're also going to get an adjustable wheelie bar. It isn't quite as easily adjustable, however, as some of the other models we've seen. So there is this one screw that goes all the way through the outside and inner bracket, and it's captured with a nut. So you can take that screw out and you have 4 other positions that you can mount that wheelie bar in. So getting into other things that this truck does offer. So you're going to get the SC600BL 2 or 3S capable electronic speed control. You are going to get a Reedy motor. And it's a 3300 kV, 540 size, however. It's not as big as a 550. So it is a little bit smaller than, can-wise than the Traxxas and other kind of 110 scale trucks that we've seen in the past. So a little bit small, a little bit different. And then you're going to get a Reedy steering servo that's buried in there. I don't even think it said anywhere on the box even what kind of servo that was. But I'm just going to say, as per any other RTR, probably something you're going to want to change. Just saying. Basic receiver box kind of lid. Just comes with a little body clip and it hinges just like that. One thing that you'll notice right away is there is no seal. So there's no rubber O-ring or gasket from the lid to the bottom of the box. So you do want to be a little bit careful running in water, especially submerging it without this net. I would recommend not to submerge it at all, just to be entirely honest with you. Even splashing, in my opinion, with this box, a little bit questionable. You might want to look at maybe something a little bit different for a box if you do plan on running a lot of water, stuff like that, even with the net on. But hey, that's just my opinion. Each to their own on that one. And then, yeah, it's going to be a basic shaft-driven four-wheel drive car. This is going to be a slipper clutch style. You're going to get a bunch of different other updates, though, that a lot of cars don't come with. So what I mean by that is on the C and D block, you are going to have a insert style like we would normally see on like an 8-scale car, or maybe a little bit more of a kit or race kit style orientated 10-scale car. You're also going to get those hinge pin plates up front as well. Big plastic drive shafts, nothing too crazy there. 4mm shock shaft, so a little bit bigger than the stock Traxxas Ultra Shocks. Big plastic shock towers, so a little bit beefier, a little bit bigger standoff than we've normally seen. Looks like pretty easy truck to work on, honestly. Nothing really too out of the ordinary. Very, very similar to a Traxxas by the looks of it, where you're going to have, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the bottom and 2 screws up top here. And it looks like this whole rear bulkhead section is going to pull off. So kind of nice that way, very modular. So I do like that. One thing though, that is just absolutely bugging my OCD, and this is just something from building kits. If you look at these turnbuckles, they have a line in them, and that's usually to dictate left-hand thread or right-hand thread, depending on the manufacturer. Normally, we would run them in this orientation, where the line's to the left side of the car. If you look at it, the right side's to the left side of the car, and the left side's to the right side of the car. So just a little OCD thing. Team Associated, you're very specific about this in your race kit manuals. We just built a B7 and a bunch of other 8-scale and 10-scale cars. You're very specific about that. Fix that on this, please. My OCD will thank you. But basic drag link style front steering, does have a on-post servo saver, just like we're used to seeing on the Traxxas. Honestly, looking at it, very Stampede four-wheel drive. Very, very close, very similar. So we're super excited to take it out. It's getting a little bit mucky and mushy here. It's like +1, +2. So things are looking up for actually going out and playing. But we'll just leave this at a review right now and just an unboxing. Chris and I are going to take it out over the next week or two and take it out and kind of really put it through its paces, check out what it's about, and see the durability of it. So if you'd like to catch that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And then throw a comment down below. Would you buy the new Rival MT10? Cheaper than a Stampede four-wheel drive VXL, and it comes with battery charger. That's a 3S. So a little bit of savings there. Let us know what you think down in the comments below, and hope we catch you on the next one. Bye.